Hey guys, what's going on? So in this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to make this really simple origami tea plate. And check it out, it's really cool looking. And this is a model that I learned from this origami book right here, Japanese origami. Yeah, and here it is, the origami tea plate. And yeah, and I'm going to show you how to fold it. Alright, ready, set, here goes. Okay, so for this model, I'm going to use a 16 square of kami, but you could try it from a sheet of printer paper cut square. So let's begin white side up, and let's fold in half. Try to make very precise folds and crease sharply. Okay, unfold, and fold in half this way. Okay, and then now fold this point up like this. And turn over and fold this point up. Okay, and now open the pocket right here and bring the sides together like this. And here we have a water bomb base. Okay, and now what we're going to do is we're going to take these two corners right here and we're going to fold them to the top. Okay, and now let's open the pocket right here and squash fold it so that this point comes to here. Alright, and repeat on this side. Okay, and now what we're going to do is we're going to take this edge and we're going to fold it to the crease like this and fold this edge to the middle. Okay, just like this. And crease sharply. And now let's unfold, and now we're going to petal fold it. So we're going to lift this up like this and we're going to fold these two sides in on the existing creases just like this. And then fold it up like that. And there it is, the petal fold. Alright, now repeat on this side. So, fold the edges in like this. I'm sure you know how to make a petal fold. So yeah, you can just pause the video and go ahead if you want. Okay, and now comes the tricky step. Not too bad though. What we're gonna do is we're gonna take this edge and we're gonna bring it to the middle. So we're just gonna pivot it up like this, and we're gonna make a new fold in here. So we're just making a pleat under there. See, just like this. All right, and flatten it. So I'm gonna show you that again. So it was like this, and we just lift this edge up and pivot it to the middle line. And then under here, we make a pleat. Okay, just like that. And repeat on this side. So, lift the edge up and pivot it so it touches the middle. Just like that. Okay, and now let's take these two corners and fold them to the top. Okay, and now squash fold them. Alright, now it's petal fold them. Alright, just like this. And now just flatten everything. And once we did that, here is our tea plate finished. And yeah, I think it's a pretty cool model. And yeah, it's pretty clean on the back. And yeah. See if it's a flicker. Yeah, not really. So there you have it. Alright, hope you guys enjoyed folding that, and hope you find it interesting, and make sure you subscribe, and let me know what you think. Alright, see you guys later.